Did you know that in Texas, you can legally claim a property to recover unpaid work or materials? It's called a mechanic's lien, and it's one of the most powerful tools contractors have to get paid. But here's the catch. The process has specific steps, tight deadlines, and one mistake can cost you everything. Let's walk through how to do it right. First, let's clarify what a property lien actually is. A lien is a legal claim against a property that gives you leverage to collect money owed. From the property owner's perspective, it's a serious problem because they can't sell or refinance the property until the lien is removed. That's why owners usually pay to clear it. Now here's the important part. There are different types of liens. Mechanics liens are what contractors and suppliers file for unpaid work. Judgment liens come from court decisions. Tax liens are filed by government agencies, and mortgage liens are filed by lenders. Today we're focusing on mechanics liens because that's what protects your payment rights on construction projects. The filing process has 7 main steps, and the first one happens before you even think about filing. You must send pre-lien notices to the property owner and general contractor on time. This is critical. Miss these notice deadlines and you lose your right to file a lien entirely. No second chances here. Next, you need to verify that filing is actually the right move. Check that you've sent your notices, confirm the work qualifies under Texas Property Code Section 53.021, and make sure you're within the filing deadline. Also, pay attention to whether it's a residential homestead property because those have extra rules. Then gather your documentation, the amount owed, legal names and addresses, property description, and proof you sent those notices. Now comes the actual filing. You'll complete the Texas Affidavit of Mechanics Lien, get it notarized, and file it in the County Appraisal District Clerk's office where the property is located, not where your business is, where the property is. You'll receive a recorded affidavit with an official county stamp and document number. Keep that. Here's where many contractors drop the ball. Within 5 days of filing, you must send copies of that recorded affidavit to both the general contractor and property owner. Use certified mail with return receipt. This step is easy to skip, but skipping it can undermine your entire lien. Don't be that contractor. If you still haven't been paid after filing, you have options. You can hire an attorney to foreclose on the lien within 1 year of your last filing date, or if the property owner is making partial payments, you can extend that foreclosure deadline by roughly another year. Once you're paid, you must release the lien within 10 days of a written request. The release must be notarized and filed in the same county. The bottom line, filing a mechanic's lien in Texas is powerful, but it's detailed work with real deadlines. One mistake costs you. That's why many contractors use Texas Easy Lien to handle the entire process in about 15 minutes. Documents are drafted by attorneys certified in Texas construction lien law, notarized, filed, and mailed for you. Check out the full guide on our blog for all the details and resources you need. Ready to file your lien the right way? Head to the blog link below for the complete step-by-step guide, templates, and everything you need to protect your payment rights in Texas.